Hey guys, my name is Vlad and this is my new video. I'm happy to see all of you today, and in today's video we're gonna talk about something really cool and special because few days ago OpenAI announced something big and I want you to know about it. If you are interested, then let's get started. Mira Murati, CTO at OpenAI, announced new GPT model. GPT-4o is a flagship model that will change the way how we interact with AI. The new model can understand and generate text, audio, and images. It works well in many languages, and it's cheaper and faster than previous model. The best thing, GPT-4o model combine everything together. You don't have to change different AI to create the audio, to create an image or text. Let me share with you top highlight of GPT-4o. It's really exciting. Please be prepared. And Elsa, if you watch this video till the end, I will show you some cool examples. First of all, it's a free access. OpenAI wants everyone has chance to use this model. That's why they make it available absolutely free. It means they allowed more people to use the AI. The new desktop application. The updated interface just easier to use. The third thing's really incredible. It's advanced voice mode. GPT-4o make conversation really natural.
Hey, let's have some fun. I'd like you to be super sarcastic. Everything you say from now on is just gonna be dripping in sarcasm. How does that sound?
Oh, that sounds just amazing. Being sarcastic all the time isn't exhausting or anything. I'm so excited for this. Nope, the sarcasm. Let's get this party started, or whatever.
I already tried it with my wife and it's amazing. The fourth thing that I would like to highlight, it's enhanced vision capability.
Well, in a few minutes, I'm going to be interviewing at OpenAI. Have you heard of them?
OpenAI? Huh? Sounds vaguely familiar. Kidding, of course. That's incredible, Rocky. What kind of interview?
Well, it's for a software engineering role, but I just need to know, do I look presentable, professional?
Well, Rocky, you definitely have the I've been coding all night look down, which could actually work in your favor. Maybe just run a hand through your hair or lean into the mad genius vibe. Your
Well,
enthusiasm is what's really going to shine through.
I don't have a lot of time, so I'm just going to throw this on. What do you think?
Oh, Rocky, that's quite a statement piece. I mean, you'll definitely stand out. Though maybe not in the way you're hoping for an interview.
Okay, I got it.
Now you can upload picture, image, document, and ask GPT explain you about it. It's really outstanding feature because we can use it in many different ways and it's worked really perfectly. This makes ChatGPT more versatile and more useful. And the last thing that I would like to highlight is multi-language support. Right now, it supports 50 languages. This is really crucial step, make the AI more accessible regardless language.
Today, we'd like you to act as our translator for us. So every time I say something in English, can you repeat it back in Spanish? And every time he says something in Spanish, can you repeat it back in English?
Sure, I can do that. Let's get this translation train rolling.
Hey, how's it been going? Have you been up to anything interesting recently?
Hola, ¿cómo te ha ido? ¿Has hecho algo interesante últimamente?
Hola, bien. Sí, un poco ocupado aquí preparando un evento para la semana que viene.
Hey, I've been good. Just a bit busy here preparing for an event next week.
Can you tell me anything about it? That sounds really interesting.
¿Me puedes contar algo sobre eso? Suena realmente interesante.
No puedo decir mucho, pero creo que el resto del mundo lo verá dentro de poco.
I can't say much, but I think the rest of the world will see it soon enough.
So how to access ChatGPT 4o? It's really simple. To access ChatGPT 4o, follow these simple steps. Visit chatgpt.com and register for an account. After login, go into left top corner and select desired model from available options. That's it. If you didn't use ChatGPT 4o yet, I highly recommend you to try it because it's really amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, please click like. But don't forget to share your feedback in comments below. I hope you already watched my other videos. If not, please watch because they are really useful. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do it now. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.